sandwich or cheese. I drink up some green tea, coffee, sometimes 2 milk.
In the breakfast I eat bread with butter and cucumber, tomato. I do eat eggs with some salad and I drink up some juice.
In the morning I eat toast with mustard and ham. And sometimes I like to put on some cheese and cucumbers, and I drink up some delicious green tea.
Hello, I'm Amanda.
Hello, I'm Eva.
Hello, I'm Laura.
Hello, my name is Santa.
Hello, I'm Cindy.
Hello, I'm Lena.
Hello, I'm Katie.
Hello, I'm Jens.
Hello, I'm Kristaps.
Hello, I'm Nick.
Goodbye.